Today I am first solving the question previous two question what I have given in the previous class. देखो दुईटा problem देइथिली E not cell उपरे standard EMF. How can you calculate the standard EMF? दुईटा question दिया देखो. First question का answer. So the two potentials are given. सेठी दुईटा potential दिया था ए बोलिया cadmium 2 plus E0 cadmium 2 plus 2 cadmium और Fe 2 plus 2 Fe. এটা দিলা কেতে -0.44 এটা দিলা প্রিভিয়াস ডাটা জাস্ট নাও রিমাইন্ড করছি এটা ডাটা দিলা এই বলা E0 cadmium 2 plus by cadmium কেতে cadmium 2 plus by cadmium -0.40 और E0 Fe2 plus by Fe -0.44 এইটা দিলা look at this এটি দিলা reduction of cathode look at this is reduction এই ডাটা দেখিলা so if the two potentials are given in reduction then higher potential কোটা এটা this is cathode, this is anode. So reduction potential of cathode minus reduction potential of anode. Reduction potential of cathode minus 0.44 minus 0.44 then minus 0.40 minus of minus 0.44 0.04 volt. 0.04 volt. This is 0 plus 0.04 volt. Clear? So this is the answer of the first question. Second question देखो गोटे थिला रिडक्शन कार्बन 2 plus 2 कार्बन रिडक्शन आयरन 2 plus एटाला ऑक्सीडेशन. This is oxidation potential, this is reduction potential, but formula is given. We know that the formula is given if this is reduction, if the two terms are in reduction, then each result equal to reduction potential of cathode minus reduction potential of anode. If the two terms are oxidation, then oxidation potential of anode minus oxidation potential of cathode. So look at here, this is reduction, this is oxidation, this is oxidation, this is reduction, this is reduction, this is oxidation. So if the two potentials are given, one is oxidation, another is reduction. This is reduction, this is oxidation. So you have to convert it into one term. So if you have to convert so this is cadmium 2 plus 2 it is reduction, এটা oxidation कर देले এটা আসিবো oxidation potential of look at this is oxidation potential, this is reduction changes to oxidation, only sign will change. So this is oxidation potential and this is oxidation potential. Clear? So this is oxidation potential, this is oxidation potential. So how can you calculate this? Oxidation potential of anode minus oxidation potential of cathode. Oxidation potential of anode कोटा look at this is 0.44, this is 0.40. So कोटा higher है. This value is higher, this value is lower. In terms of oxidation, this oxidation potential of anode minus oxidation potential of cathode. So this is 0.44 minus 0.40. कितना है 0.4. Clear? So these are the so look at. So first question two terms are given in reduction. So formula is reduction potential of cathode minus reduction potential of anode. This is the formula. Reduction potential of cathode minus reduction potential of anode. So if the two terms are given in reduction, then higher volume is the cathode. So minus 0.40 minus 0.44. So put higher minus 0.40. So this is cathode, this is anode. Minus 0.40 minus of minus 0.44. So plus 0.04 volt. So plus 0.04 volt. So this is the first question answer. Second question given that E0 cadmium 2 plus by cadmium minus 0.40 volt, E0 Fe by Fe2 plus 0.44 volt. So look at this is reduction, this is oxidation. Eta oxidation potential, eta la reduction potential. जदि गोटे oxidation गोटे reduction थिबो दुईटा जाक को समान टर्म को आनबो. समान टर्म आनबा फार्मूला ट्रिक्स हला सिंपल चेंजिंग द साइन. जदि oxidation थिबो reduction करिवो पॉजिटिव थिले नेगेटिव होबो, नेगेटिव थिले पॉजिटिव होबो. एटा ला तार फार्मूला. जदि देखो एटा reduction अछि माइनस अछि. এটা E0 cadmium বা cadmium 2 plus এটা আমরা oxidation reduction potential changes to oxidation potential. এটা হলো reduction potential minus 0.4 volt. এটি oxidation potential plus 0.40 volt. তাহলে এটি কোন আসলো খালি সাইনটা চেঞ্জ, only sign will change. look at cadmium 2 plus by cadmium এটা reduction, cadmium by cadmium 2 plus এটা হলো oxidation. Cadmium 2 plus by cadmium এটা হলো reduction, cadmium by cadmium to cadmium 2 plus এটা হলো oxidation. So reduction changes to oxidation, simple sign will change. Minus 0.40 to plus 0.40, only sign will change. এটা reduction, এটা হলো Fe by Fe2 plus 0.44 এটা হলো oxidation. This is oxidation potential and this is oxidation potential. When the two potentials are in oxidation, we have to apply the formula oxidation potential of anode minus oxidation potential of cathode. Oxidation potential of anode কোনটা minus 0.44 minus of 0.40 plus 0.04 volt plus 0.04 volt. Clear? So these are the answer of this previous two questions. Simple. जदि दुईटा जाक potential reduction ने अछि, first only you have to check two potentials are given in whether oxidation term or reduction term. जदि दुईटा जाक potential reduction ने अछि ताले को फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करिवो reduction potential of cathode minus reduction potential of anode. This is reduction potential of cathode minus reduction potential of anode. cathode कोटा जदि दुईटा जाक reduction अछि higher value वाला cathode, lower value वाला anode. So it is the high volume quota minus 0.40 that is cathode, lower quota minus 0.44. So minus 0.40 minus of minus 0.44. So plus 0.40 answer. But second question में कौन करछि गोटा देछि oxidation, sorry गोटा देछि reduction, एटा गोटा देछि reduction, second टा देछि oxidation. So you have to convert into one term. So ए जो reduction टा convert करिवो, ए reduction टा convert करिवो oxidation. So reduction का जरा oxidation में convert होगा एटा कौन loss है. Sign का change, sign will only change. So E0 cadmium 2 plus to cadmium changes to E0 cadmium to cadmium 2 plus कितना आसला plus 0.40 watt minus टा plus है. जितना oxidation reduction potential to oxidation करिवो only sign will change और oxidation potential को reduction करिवो only sign will change. Positive दिले negative हो, negative दिले positive हो. एटा negative अछि एटा कोन होला positive. एटी हला E0 Fe2 plus 0.44 volt. So oxidation potential of anode minus oxidation potential of cathode. Oxidation potential of anode minus oxidation potential of anode minus 0.44 minus of minus 0.40 plus 0.04. This is also answer, same answer. But how this changes? First रे कोन थिला दुईटा को potential, एटा भी reduction potential, एटा भी reduction potential. So if the two potentials are reduction, so which formula you have to apply? Reduction potential of cathode minus reduction potential of anode. रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल ऑफ कैथोड माइनस रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल ऑफ एनोड कैथोड कोटा हाई वैल्यू का कैथोड एटा हाई वैल्यू कैथोड लोअर वैल्यू एनोड so reduction potential of cathode minus reduction potential of anode so plus 0.04 volt but if the two potentials are given in one is oxidation one is reduction look at eta la reduction eta la oxidation jodi gote reduction gote oxidation थाए से reduction ta को oxidation करिवो किबा ए oxidation ta को reduction करिवो करिवार मेथड हला सिंपल साइन विल चेंज सिंपल साइन विल चेंज देखो कार्डियम 2 + टू कार्डियम रिडक्शन एटा को ऑक्सीडेशन करिवो कार्डियम टू कार्डियम 2 + एटा ऑक्सीडेशन सो -0.40 टू +0.40 चलो एठी रिडक्शन का को ऑक्सीडेशन करिवो एठी तो ऑक्सीडेशन अछि दुटा को ऑक्सीडेशन आसला एटा ऑक्सीडेशन पोटेंशियल दिस इज आल्सो ऑक्सीडेशन पोटेंशियल व्हेन द टू पोटेंशियल्स आर ऑक्सीडेशन यू हैव टू अप्लाई द फार्मूला ऑक्सीडेशन पोटेंशियल ऑफ एनोड माइनस ऑक्सीडेशन पोटेंशियल ऑफ एनोड जदी दुईटा पोटेंशियल ऑक्सीडेशन का जदी दुईटा ए पोटेंशियल और ए पोटेंशियल ऑक्सीडेशन पोटेंशियल अछि ताले ऑक्सीडेशन पोटेंशियल दुईटा दिबो ताले को फार्मूला अप्लाई करिवो ऑक्सीडेशन पोटेंशियल ऑफ एनोड माइनस ऑक्सीडेशन पोटेंशियल ऑफ कैथोड ऑक्सीडेशन पोटेंशियल ऑफ एनोड कोटा जोटा हायर वैल्यू सेटाला एनोड हायर वैल्यू कोटा दिस इज एनोड दिस इज कैथोड सो बाय प्लस 0.44 एनोड माइनस 0.40 कैथोड सो दिस विल बी प्लस 0.04 वोल्ट हियर so this is the formula for this is the answer of this previous question simple एठी देखो एटा कोटा रिडक्शन एटा ऑक्सीडेशन अछि एई दुइटा भीतर समान कारण को एटा को रिडक्शन करिवो किबा एटा को ऑक्सीडेशन करिवो हमें एटा को ऑक्सीडेशन करिवो सो रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल चेंजेस टू ऑक्सीडेशन पोटेंशियल इज कार्डियम टू कार्डियम 2 सेटा ऑक्सीडेशन कार्डियम चेंजेस टू कार्डियम 2 प्लस दैट इज ऑक्सीडेशन सो सिंपल नेगेटिव चेंजेस टू पॉजिटिव प्लस 0.40 so oxidation potential of anode minus oxidation potential of cathode so oxidation potential of anode plus 0.44 minus 0.40 plus 0.04 volt clear next we will discuss what is Nast equation Nast equation. So what is Nast equation? It gives the relationship between the reduction potential of electron and concentration of the ions in the electron reaction. एटा कौन लगा होगा? और the value of electron potential at different concentration and temperature can be obtained by using Nast equation. हमें Nast equation use करी reduction electron potential that is electron potential को calculate करिवा at different concentration and different temperature. सिंपल ए दिगा भीतर दुटा लिखि भी चलबो एटा भीतर लिखि परबो एटा और एटा फर्स्ट पॉइंट जब देखिले सेकंड वाला करने सेकंड वाला लिखिले फर्स्ट वाला करने जोड़ा कुछ लिखिले और इट गिव्स द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन द रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन एंड कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ द आयंस इन द इलेक्ट्रॉन रिएक्शन सो नास्ट इक्वेशन यूज करी हमें इलेक्ट्रॉन पोटेंशियल रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल और इलेक्ट्रॉन पोटेंशियल डिफरेंट कंसंट्रेशन रे एवं डिफरेंट टेंपरेचर रे काढिबे वी कैन कैलकुलेट द रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल ऑफ electrons at different concentrations and different temperature so we can calculate the reduction potential of electron at different concentrations and different temperature clear so it gives the relationship between the reduction potential of electron and concentration of the ions in the electron reaction the value of electron potential at different concentration and temperature can be obtained by using Nast equation so Nast equation use kari we can calculate the electron potential at different concentration and at different temperature Nast equation use kari ame electron potential kadi pariba at different concentration रे एवं different temperature simple गोटे लाइन Nast equation यूज करी आमे इलेक्ट्रॉन पोटेंशियल काढी परिबा different concentration रे different temperature clear नॉस्ट इक्वेशन जो इक्वेशन टा हम यूज करी इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल डिफरेंट कंसंट्रेशन एंड डिफरेंट टेम्परेचर रे काढी परिबा से इक्वेशन को कोन कहै जिवो नॉस्ट इक्वेशन. So the electrode potential can be the value of electrode potential can be calculated at different concentrations and different temperature by using this equation is called Nast equation. Nast equation use करी हमें electrode potential का different concentration एवं different temperature रे काढी परिबा. Clear? So the value of electrode potential at different concentration and temperature can be obtained by using Nast equation. So what is Nast equation? Look at E cell equal to inert cell or zero cell minus 2.303 RT by NF log Q. Log Q. So here E cell equal to EMF of the cell. E cell कौन? EMF of the cell. E zero cell standard EMF of cell. Standard EMF of the E cell EMF of the cell, E zero cell standard EMF of the cell, R gas constant, T absolute temperature, F 1 Faraday equal to 96500 coulomb और ये लिख पर 96500 coulomb. Q reaction quotient, N number of electron transferred from anode half cell to cathode half cell. देखो एक टर्म very important. What is reaction quotient? Reaction quotient is Q. Equilibrium constant is Q. Suppose. So what is the difference between Q and K? What is the a log? Suppose in a reaction अच्छी A B C D एटा पाई इक्विलिब्रियम कांस्टेंट K लगा C to the power C D to the power D divided by A to the power A B to the power D and Q वाला say C to the power C D to the power D A to the power A B to the power B. Look at it. So what is the difference between Q and K? K is determined at the point of equilibrium, that is when rate of forward reaction equal to rate of backward reaction. K is determined at the point of equilibrium, at the point of equilibrium. K is determined at the point of equilibrium. Q is determined at any stage of the reaction. At any stage of the reaction other than equilibrium point. Other than equilibrium other than equilibrium point. Clear? So what is the difference between Q and K? K is determined at the point of equilibrium, whereas Q is determined at any stage of the reaction other than equilibrium point. Other than equilibrium, Q is determined at any stage of the reaction other than equilibrium point. K is determined at the point of equilibrium. Clear? This is the K is determined at the point of equilibrium, that is when rate of forward reaction equal to rate of backward reaction. But Q is determined at any stage of the reaction other than equilibrium point. Other than equilibrium point रे Q काट परिबा. K is determined only at the point of equilibrium when rate of forward reaction equal to rate of backward reaction. That is K is determined, Q is determined at any stage of the reaction other than equilibrium point. Clear? So this is the only difference. Otherwise Q का formula, K का same formula. K is determined only at the point of equilibrium, that is when rate of forward reaction equal to rate of backward reaction. Q is determined at any stage of the reaction other than equilibrium point. Other than equilibrium point. Clear? So look at the term E cell. E cell la EMF of the cell, inert cell standard EMF, R la gas constant, T la absolute temperature, Q la reaction quotient, N la number of electron transferred from anode half cell to cathode half cell, F la 1 Faraday or 96500 coulomb. These are the terms. Look at E cell, EMF of the cell, electron EMF, electromotive force of the cell, E0 cell, standard EMF of the cell, R gas constant, T absolute temperature, N number of electron transfer from anode half cell to cathode half cell, F 1 Faraday, Q reaction quotient. Q is reaction quotient. Reaction quotient is determined product concentration by reactant concentration. Q रे कहीं formula अलग कोई दी थी. Q can be calculated product concentration divided by product concentration divided by reactant concentration. Product concentration by reactant concentration. Clear? Product concentration by reactant concentration. So E cell equal to EMF of the cell, E0 standard EMF, R la gas constant, T la absolute temperature, N la number of electron transferred from anode half cell to cathode half cell, F la 1 Faraday, 96500 coulomb, Q la reaction quotient. Reaction quotient can be calculated by product concentration by reactant concentration. Q equal to product concentration by reactant concentration. Clear? Jodi coefficient thibo coefficient ta power is. If there is coefficient term in the reactant and product, that will be treated in the power of concentration. Previous to the equation will explain. So next is I am giving one problem. Nahi if देखो E cell है तुम्हें यदि value टा पके दो gas constant का value, temperature value पके दो at 25 degree centigrade, this equation will become at 25 degree centigrade at 25 degree centigrade or 298 Kelvin, this equation will become E cell equal to inert cell minus 0.591 by n log Q. E cell equal to inert cell minus 0.0591 by n log Q. This equation will become, you will put the value of R equal to 8.314, T temperature 298 Kelvin or 25 degree centigrade 298 Kelvin, then F is 96500 coulomb. If you put this value R equal to 8.314, P 298 Kelvin, F 96500 coulomb, then you simplify this equation will get this equation. This is also simplified. You will apply this equation at non-standard state or any temperature other than 25 degree, but you can apply this equation at other than 25 degree centigrade. Clear? You can apply this equation at 25 degree or 298 Kelvin. You can apply this equation at any temperature. Clear? This is not standard state, this is standard state or standard condition. So this equation, we can use this equation at any temperature. We can use only this equation at 45 degree or 298 Kelvin. आमे ए इक्वेशन को यूज करबा जे कोनसी टेंपरेचर रे ए इक्वेशन को यूज करबा केवल कते 45 डिग्री और 298 केल्विन. क्लियर? So a short question and I think the question is also very important. That question mostly is asking that 1 mark question. Write the last equation of the following redox reaction. Write the last equation of the following redox reaction. Clear? It is another one thing. It would have been like all pure solids, pure liquids, all pure solids, pure liquids, and gas at one atm. All pure solids, pure liquids, and gas at 1 atm pressure. At 1 atm pressure is one. All pure solids, pure liquids, and gas at 1 atm pressure is 1. Clear? All pure solids, pure liquids, and gas at 1 atm pressure is 1. Clear? All pure solids, pure liquids, and gas at 1 atm pressure value is how much? 1. This you should remember. So next I am giving write the last equation of this next question. It is important question. This is a very important question. Most of the time you put the question. Write the last equation of the following write the last equation of the following reaction. Write the last equation of the following reaction. So look at here, Mn plus aqueous use for the reduction it uses n electrons and m solid. So Q equal to m solid by Mn plus aqueous. All pure solids, pure liquids, and gas at 1 atm pressure. This is solid, so this value is equal to how much? 1. This value is equal to how much? 1. All pure solids and pure liquid value is how much? 1. Q is pure solid, so this is 1. 1 plus Q value पाइबे. हमें एक क्वेश्चन पकई बरे यदि एला ये पकईबा 25 डिग्री अदरवाइज नॉन स्टैंडर्ड स्टेट रे E cell equal to inner cell minus 2.303 RT by NF log 1 by So this is non-standard state, but at standard state they will be equilibrium. Eta be answer or at 25 degree centigrade or 290 Kelvin E cell equal to inner cell minus 0.0591 by n. N is how much? N electrons here. So we are using n log log 1 by mn plus aqueous. Clear? At 25 degree centigrade or 290 Kelvin, E cell equal to E naught cell minus 0.0591 by n log 1 by mn plus. You can at 25 degree you can write this equation. This is also answer. This is also answer. You may write this or you may write this. এটা করে লিখো কিংবা এটা লিখো কোটা লিখো যেটা করে লেখা দরকার গোটা কোনই হয়. You can write this. This is also answer. This is also answer. But when you write this, এটা করে লিখো এটাই বলে লিখো. At 25 degree centigrade or 290 Kelvin, you can write this. তাহলে এটা লিখলে কিছু দরকার নেই. এটা লিখলে খালি এটা লিখো. This is a very important question. One mark question is putting that. Clear? Next we will solve. Next I am writing the applications of last equation, and application is nothing but we have to solve the problems, and that is the patterns of question which he is asking. Clear? That is the patterns of question and solving each and every question, each bit how the question is solved. Basically you look this is very important questions. Last year we put that question from also last equation. Last year he put the questions from last equation. Clear? Applications of last equation. First application, calculation of EMF of this cell. First application, calculation of EMF of this cell. Calculation of EMF of cell. Clear? It is the first application. Because if you will put the question application, I will give it one. The guy I am writing first calculation of EMF of this cell. Next I will solve problems. You will only suppose you will put only write the applications of last equation. You will only write the point. First one, calculation of EMF of this cell. Second one, we will calculate the concentration of unknown solution. Calculate the concentration of ions of the unknown solution. Calculate the pH of the solution. এবারে application চারটা application আছে. I will solve each bit. So basing upon this calculation of EMF of the cell, how he will put the problems. Otherwise I am writing first 3-4 calculation. What are the application? Next we will solve basing upon the problems each bit. Clear? First is calculation of EMF of the cell. Second is calculation of concentrations of concentration of unknown calculation of concentration of unknown solution. Calculation of concentration of unknown solution. Third bit, calculation of measurement of pH of the solution. measurement of the pH, measurement of the pH of the solution. Fourth bit out of to measure pH of a solution with the help of SHG. To measure pH of the solution with the help of SHG, standard hydrogen reactor. So if you will put write last equation and write the application, only equation rakhibo. A write applications means a chapter application. Major applications of last equation: first calculation of EMF of the cell, calculation of concentration of unknown solution, measurement of the pH of the solution. Next is to measure the pH of the solution with the help of SHG. We will discuss each one. So how the calculation of EMF of the cell, we can apply this to the problem. How we can calculate the EMF of the cell, we will apply it to problems. Clear? So first I am solving some problems. Look at this questions. I am writing the questions. Very important. This problem is very important. These questions are very important. So you will try to solve these questions. How you will learn the tricks how this question is solved and what are the steps involved. The steps are very important. What are the steps involved in solving this question? That is very important. Clear? So you have to learn what are the steps involved in solving the problems. So first I am writing the questions. Right, calculate the EMF of the cell. Questions is calculate the EMF. Calculate the EMF of the cell at 25 degrees centigrade. Calculate the EMF of the cell at 25 degree centigrade. Mg solid by Mg2 plus concentration केते अछि 0.001 एटा अछि 0.001 m double vertical line copper 2 plus Mg solid Mg2 plus copper 2 plus copper copper 2 plus copper solid हैला copper 2 plus रे concentration एति अछि सो ए बळे क्वेश्चन आउ देई छी गिवन दैट ए क्वेश्चन तळ अछि E0 Mg2 plus by Mg केते अछि माइनस what E0 copper 2 plus by copper देखो ए बड़ा डाटा किसी देइछ ए बड़ा क्वेश्चन में फास्ट बिट कौन करियो देखो क्वेश्चन ना ए बड़ा तो थिबो फास्ट में कौन करियो जदी सेल डायग्राम और सेल रिप्रेजेंटेशन देछि तुम जानि छ लेफ्ट साइड ला एनोड राइट साइड कैथोड लेफ्ट साइड एनोड राइट साइड कैथोड फास्ट एनोड हाफ सेल और कैथोड हाफ सेल नो हाफ सेल रिएक्शन लिखि first you have to write the half cell reactions of anode and half cell reactions of cathode that is at anode what is what magnesium solid oxidized to magnesium 2 plus 2 electron at cathode copper 2 plus 2 electron copper solid look at एटी कितना इलेक्ट्रॉन लॉस है दुईटा एटी कितना गेन है हियर 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स लॉस हियर 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स गेन एटी दुईटा इलेक्ट्रॉन लॉस कला एटी दुईटा इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन so suppose 82 electrons here 3 electrons then you have to multiply here suppose here 2 এটা 3 दाना 83 multiply करना 82 multiply करना equalize करना पर इलेक्ट्रॉन यदि if the electrons are divided in the oxidation 80 तरह तीनटा इलेक्ट्रॉन था 80 के था दुईटा इलेक्ट्रॉन था 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन এটা suppose 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन था 80 के 2 बन जाएगा 80 के 3 so in order to equalize the electrons in order to what equalize the electrons clear but if the electrons are equal then that is the number of n hola 2 n is what is the number of electron transferred from anode half cell to cathode half cell 80 केतना इलेक्ट्रॉन लॉस करछ दुईटा 80 केतना इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन करछ दुईटा so number of electron transferred from anode half cell to cathode half cell that is n equal to our 2 that is our n 2 clear next n pi first ला n pi next ला net redox reaction net redox reaction এটা পাওয়া যায় NRR Mg solid plus copper 2 plus left side Mg solid plus copper 2 plus right side Mg2 plus copper solid clear ए भाई लिख दो left side ऐड कर दो right side ऐड कर दो वर्तमान এইটা কই যায় net redox reaction Mg is oxidized copper 2 plus is reduced Mg is oxidized copper 2 plus is reduced so from this you can calculate the Q value what is Q Q is Mg2 plus copper solid divided by Mg solid copper 2 plus look at all pure solids value is how much 1 so this will become Mg2 plus divided by so this is Q value this is Q value so Q equal to Mg2 plus by copper 2 plus look at all pure solids এটা pure solid কত 1 এটা কত হলো pure solid so Mg2 plus by Q value পাইলে বর্তমানে দুইটা ভ্যালু পাইলে কোন কোন ভ্যালু ফার্স্ট লা n ভ্যালু পাইলে সেকেন্ড লা Q q ভ্যালু পাই যাবে দুইটা ভ্যালু পাইবে নেক্সট ইনভার্স নেক্সট উইল ক্যালকুলেট what এটা লিখছ তো রাইট দিস n value 2 next redox reaction from next redox reaction you can get the value of q clear q কেমতি কাটিব product concentration divided by reactant concentration এটি যদি কোএফিশিয়েন্ট দিব কোএফিশিয়েন্টটা পাওয়া যাবে এটা ধরো 3 দাম এটাকে দেখলাম টু দি পাওয়ার 3 এটা ধরো 3 টাকা এটা কোএফিশিয়েন্ট 3 টা এটি যা কোএফিশিয়েন্ট দিব reaction and products রে যা কোএফিশিয়েন্ট দিব that will be the power in reaction and products what are the coefficient that will be used as power of the concentration respective concentration or product respective concentration of the reactants or product in net redox reaction if this is the coefficients used in the net redox reaction in net redox reaction the terms which are used in reactants and product if there is any coefficient term that will be used as a power in the q that is the used as a power in the concentration terms clear so next n wala q wala next is inert cell equal to reduction potential of cathode minus reduction potential of anode cathode কোটা দেখো এটা রিডাকশন এটা কি রিডাকশন কোটা এটা রিডাকশন সো এটা কেতে আসলা এতিকি মাইনাস কেতে আসো 2 পয়েন্ট এটা কেতে আসিব 2.7 2.71 clear so this is inert cell this is what inert cell next we have to calculate the EMF of the cell at 45 degree centigrade calculate the EMF of the cell at 45 degree centigrade next step e zero cell का है फर्स्ट स्टेप में क्या लिखा n असला करते 2 then q वाला mg 2 plus divided by copper 2 plus then 2.711 next is at 45 degree centigrade E cell equal to inert cell minus 0.591 by n log inner cell kete 2.71 minus 0.0591 by n like 2 log q कहते mg 2 plus by CO2 plus. This is 2.71 minus 0.91 by 2 log mg2 plus 0.001 divided by 0.001. Next we will calculate this. We will calculate this. It will be log 10. It has log log 10. Log 10 value is 1. तो 1 मेरा कैलकुलेशन कर दो. Calculation I am not doing this. Calculation करते आंसर अछि 2.68. You will check this answer. एटा ना 1 तापर एटा कैलकुलेट डिवाइड कर दी कर दो 2.681. सो एई पैटर्न में जरा क्वेश्चन दे देबो. एई पैटर्न में जरा क्वेश्चन दे देबो तुमे कोन करबो. What you have to do first, you have to write the anode half cell and cathode half cell. कोन करियो first bit anode half cell cathode half cell. From that you can calculate n. Anode half cell reaction लिखिबो, cathode half cell reaction लिखिबो, n value calculate करो. n value calculate करो. Second redox reaction जो net redox reaction नु q value काढिबो. Third inert cell काढिबो. Fourth bit e cell पकेबो last equation. e cell equal to inert cell minus 0.059 by n log q. तापर clear? Is that clear? So चारटा स्टेप करियो. कोन फर्स्ट ला एनोड हाफ सेल कैथोड हाफ सेल रिएक्शन लिखिबो. एनोड हाफ सेल कैथोड हाफ सेल रिएक्शन लिखिबो. एनोड हाफ सेल रिएक्शन कैथोड हाफ सेल रिएक्शन n वैल्यू काढिबो. सेटू n वैल्यू काढिबो. कोडा n वैल्यू काढिबो. तापरे q वैल्यू लिखिबो. नेट रिडक्स रिएक्शन प्रोडक्ट बाय रिएक्टेंट दैट इज q वैल्यू. सो एठी प्योर सॉलिड प्योर लिक्विड थिले 1 1 आइबो. तापर एटा q वैल्यू काढिबो. तापरे इनर्ट सेल वैल्यू काढिबो. इनर्ट सेल जदि दिता रिडक्शन रे अछि ए रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल ऑफ कैथोड माइनस रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल ऑफ एनोड. एटा करी E0 सेल काढिबो. तापरे फोर्थ स्टेप एटा E सेल काढिबो. एटा ए 29 सेल 29 करबी. E सेल इक्वल टू इनर्ट सेल माइनस 0.591 by n log q. तापर एटा काढिबो 2.681 2.681. Clear? Next, the guidance put a solve finally. You have to solve the example 42 of Kp. Next, you have to solve 3 questions. Example 42, second bit, third bit, IV bit. In this pattern, exact pattern. This pattern, second bit, third bit, fourth bit, you have to solve from Kp. Clear? Next, second application. Second application कौन होगा? एक ला first application calculate the EMF of the cell. First application ला calculate the EMF of the cell. Clear? So next application we will solve. Next application calculation of concentration of second application of calculation of concentration of unknown solution, calculation of concentration of unknown solution. Clear? Next pattern question I am solving. I write these questions. Next class we will solve this. Clear? So a couple question I am writing. A copper silver cell is set up. A copper silver cell is a copper silver cell is set up. The copper ion concentration is the copper ion a copper silver cell is set up. The copper ion concentration is 0.1 a copper silver cell is set up. The copper ion concentration is 0.1 m. The concentration of silver ion is not a copper silver cell is set up. The copper ion concentration is 0.1 m. The concentration of silver ion is not known. The cell potential when measured was 0. The cell potential when measured was 0.422 volt. The cell potential when measured was 0.422 volt. Determine the concentration of silver ion in this cell. Determine the concentration of silver ion in this cell. Given that E0 minus 0.80 volt, E0 copper 2 plus copper 2 plus by copper plus 3.4.